Hi, everybody. This is Dan. I'm here to review my new website. It's a visual shop. So the idea here is it's a generic-ish shopping site that's sort of tailor-made for more visual products like paintings, drawings, other art, something that you're going to want to see the details of before you buy, rather than getting into the nitty-gritty about what what the product is and does. It's very tailor-made for that kind of artistic products. The website is built using React for the front end, and it's got a Redux system built in so it handle the state. And then I am also using Thunk to bring it in from a Ruby on Rails API, which I've also built to handle persistence. So without further ado, I'll dive into the README and we can kind of get started. So here we have the README. The features, right now it's pretty basic, bare bones for this project, but it will be getting built out with these additional features over time. So today it's going to pull, like I said, the products in from the backend API where I'm managing all my product inventory. When you see those products, they'll all be laid out on a page. When you hover over them, it'll increase the size so you can view the details a little bit better. Clicking the image will give you the full product details, take you to another page where you can see description, some tags, things along those lines. There's a shopping cart, so you can add the cart, add to the cart from the products page, and you can manage the carts from the carts itself. So you can increase or decrease orders, you can remove things from the cart, or you can check out. Once you check out, an order will be created and sent back to that API database, so that as a user, I could retrieve my past orders, things along those lines. As this gets built out, I will be adding some cool features like an admin, at least an admin permission set to allow for some non-API direct editing of the products. So we can add, we can change, we can remove products from the front end itself as an admin. I also want to institute some tags and categories to help search and manage the products. And then I want to have a similar products bit along in the products show page. So if I'm looking at one product, I could use tags, categories, etc., to show some related products that the customer may want to take a look at. So that's all coming soon. For now, we have the basics. Going into my site, the first page here is a sign up, sign in. This is the kind of the welcome screen, assuming you're not already signed in. For now, there's a lot of issues with the sign-in flow. I'm trying to institute a JavaScript web token along with the devise gem. So it's kind of challenging getting them to sync up. So it's something it's a work in progress. For now, I just signed in as a generic user for my backend. If I were to sign in, this would transfer me over to the products page instead. And so you just saw it has that. Let's see if it does it again. You can't really see it, but the please wait message as these are getting loaded. That's my Thunk async call. Once it's all gathered, it will return a bunch of products. You can see there are several different products you can hover over, or you could take a look at. If you hover over them, it blows them up so you can see some of the details better. This is a good example here. Kind of hard to see what's going on, but if you blow it up, you can see a little bit more detail. Once you pick which one you want, you can click the Add to Cart button, and you can see it gets added over here to the cart. It gives you a price. You can increase the price or the quantity and decrease the quantity, and it'll change your subtotal and your total price. I could add another thing, and again, I could change the quantity. So 4,400 now. If I add that, now it's 6,400. I could also, of course, remove from the cart if I decide I don't want it after all. And then finally, if I click this checkout button, you won't see anything happen right now, but what it's going to do is it's going to take all the details from here. So which products did you want? What's the quantity of each one that you want? And it's going to create an order for you, and it'll send it to the back end. Coming soon is going to be an integration with a third-party payments app such as Stripe. or Shopify, something along those lines. So that's going to get built out in the future. And instead of sending this order straight to the back end, it's going to instead send it through that for payments processing. And finally, if I click on any one of these, so I'll click this little rose down here, it'll bring up the show page so you could see all the details. So here's what it's called, the title of the piece. You've got the picture, blow up to its full size. You have price, add to carts, description, some copyright information, the category. So this is a photography, nature, flora category. And then coming soon, there will be a list of tags, and the hope is a list of related products as well down here, or on the side perhaps. And then clicking back, we can go back to the products page. And that's it for right now. As I said, there will be more content coming, particularly once I can add that user sign-in flow and get that all the rest of the way figured out. This will get built out quite a bit more, and I'll release a new product video at that time. All right, bye.